we had to make multiple tables. Well, we had to make the tables and then populate the tables um, from this from these stats over here, the MLB stats for the AL League for hitting, pitching, and fielding. Um, from what I read on the lab, it was supposed to be team table, a hitting table, a pitching table, and a fielding table. But when you click on team right here versus player right here, all it does is switch from a player perspective to the team perspective, like the league, like this. It doesn't bring up any new table that has information. Um, so with that being said, I took the data from uh, three these three stats and populated it into a table over here. And these can be very well. Before I show that, I'll show everything that I did up here for the coding. And this is how I entered the code, was by going to the insert into, and then I placed, I guess, specifically where I wanted to insert the data into my table with the and syntax, and then from there I could specifically put in the rank, the team name, the league, AL, games. I'm not familiar with baseball terminology and things, but everything was placed in there, and it lines up here. And I did that for each table. Quite a lengthy process. That was the description for the fielding tables and columns. So there was that. I turned around and made the primary key for each table the team, because I think at some point we're gonna go through the team name and link the other tables together, and the data within them. That's why I had asked about the merging. For example, here's fielding. Select from every. And then there's that. And it brings it up and has the data all stored inside of it. Yeah, so I have these three tables, fielding, pitching, and hitting. That fourth table, I'm not sure what's supposed to be on that fourth table. I was thinking, it was supposed to, well, I'm not sure what's supposed to be on it because there's no data from that site for that, or team. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, I used the select commands, insert into, create. I was gonna try to use merge, but I was told not to use merge. Primary keys for these are the team names. I guess that's how we'll try to make it relational databases. Let's do the team name. So yeah, that's my Jing for this week. What I need to work on, or confuse, well, besides working on everything, is having these columns more spaced out, because the other tables, some of them had like very fills the screen, or like it looks neat and fitted into each category, just like the website. that's something